Hi, I'm Devanjan Mandal, a student of Taposhi Educational Tutorial. In this video, I will say you about Albert Einstein and his some famous experiments and theories. Now, let's start the video. Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Germany. He grew up to be one of the most famous scientists. Even as a young boy, Einstein showed he has a great mind of maths and physics. During his lifetime, Albert Einstein came up with some amazing theories about light, matter, gravity, space, and time. His famous theories were quantum theory of light, special theory of relativity, Avogadro's number, Bose-Einstein condensate, general theory of relativity, the photoelectric effect, and the wave-particle duality. Now let's know about the famous relativity theory of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is just famous for diverging his theory of relativity with which he came up in 1915. It revolutionized our understanding of space, time, gravity, and the universe. Relativity has also showed us that matter and energy are just two forms of the same thing. A fact that Einstein expressed as E is equal to mc squared, energy is equal to the mass times the speed of light squared, the most widely recognized equation in the history. In other words, energy E and the mass m are interchangeable. Now let's know about the wormhole theory of Albert Einstein. The wormhole theory postulates that the theoretical passage through space-time could be created shortcuts for long journey across the universe. Wormholes are predicted by the theory of general relativity. But to vary, wormhole brings them with the dangers of sudden collapse, high radiation, and dangerous contact with exotic matters. In 1935, Einstein as physicist Nathan Rosen used the theory of general relativity to elaborate the idea, postulating the extension of bridges through space-time. The bridges contact to different points in space-time, theoretically creating a shortcut that could reduce travel time and distance. The shortcut came to be called Einstein-Rosen bridges or wormholes. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.